Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, which I find very interesting, since ignorance of the operation of some parts can cause an accident. I'll explain. They brought us a Volkswagen Golf 1900 TDI with 115 horsepower, and the problem that this car had is that when trying to brake, the pedal was very hard, so the owner had a scare with the car, because it had been like this for a while, but the problem was created by the owner himself. Look at the video. This is the Volkswagen. What's the problem? There you can see that adhesive tape on the vacuum pump, okay? Look, there's the check valve. This one has it. The tandem pump is the one that communicates with the brake booster. The owner told us that the brake pedal had been hard for a while. The problem is that only a few people come when they get scared with their car. I don't know, they'd never put there, but that tandem pump did not have any problems, Emma. The only problem is that the owner was walking to the car and he realized that the spout that is there, that this is a check valve. Well, it turned and moved, and then he thought it was wrong, but until he did that, the car braked perfectly. So what he did was try to immobilize it, thinking that this would solve the problem. But of course, look, there's a lot of tape on there. I'm going to hit the video a little faster. Look. He put a lot of tape, and what it did was immobilize that part. But in this car, that part moves. What was the problem? When trying to immobilize it, what it did was separate the vacuum tube. It separated it from the tube. So what happened? Well, that is where the vacuum was escaping. Listen, if you have a car like this, in most cars, the check valve doesn't move. In this particular one, it does move, okay? To that tandem pump. As I said, absolutely nothing is wrong with it. That movement, in this particular pump, is normal. We have removed all that adhesive tape. Do you know what the solution was? Bring the sleeve closer to the valve, secure it, and the problem has been solved. As I say, sometimes ignorance of these things, because it can cause an accident. I always say that if you have doubts about your car or about safety inside the car, go to your trusted workshop and ask your mechanic. You can save more than one scare, okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.